Greetings, this is Daniela Huerfano, and I decided to reverse engineer the visualization found on Monday Makeover about the world's biggest military spender. This information was retrieved from the Stockholm International Research Institute. The initial visualization was created in 2021, and as shown here, it basically describes the spending of top 10 nations in the world. The data source was CPRI. Something to keep in mind is that the values used on my visualization were adjusted to 2020 US dollar value. That is why there is a change, a slight change in the percentages of spending. When assessing this visualization, it's important to know that it is very difficult to see the difference between each country if we let the colors guide ourselves, as we would have to have very, very good eyesight to see the difference of values between this green, and this green. So it's not really easy to understand. As for our Tableau book, visualizations are better when there is big contrast. This is why I decided to change the colors and have contrast so that the values are easier understood. To start, I decided to create this visualization, which is interactive. It shows you the top countries with the higher spending, and it ranks it by percentage. The United States of America have earned the #1 spender worldwide for over 20 years in a row. Also, keep in mind that my original visualization in Tableau allows you to choose the years and obtain values for each year. Here you can see that the spending changes from each year to what year, but the United States remain on top. Here you can choose the different countries, and it's easier to understand when the color gradient is bigger between from one country to the other. My second visualization is this bump chart with parameters, which allows you to pick a nation. And once you pick the nation is highlighted. The rest of the country goes to the back, and you can see the ranking of the spending for such nation in a specific year. For example, if we want to see Greece in 2010, we can see that Greece was ranking 15 among the total spending nations in the world. I have also added a percentage of GDP, percentage of government spending, and percentage of government spending per capita. This visualization allows all learners to interact and become familiar with the data. Thank you. Bye-bye.